Hello and welcome to Let's Learn Computer. Today we will learn what are computer languages. A language is a mode of communication which is used to convey our message to others, like we use English, Hindi, Togo, etc. to pass the information to others. For example, if one speaks English and other speaks in Hindi, how they can communicate? They need a translator. Translator convey their message to them. Like that, computer is a machine. Computer doesn't understand our language. Computer needs a special type of language that is understood by it. It consists of symbols, words, codes that is used to write computer programs. Then computer understands only the 0 and 1, that is binary number. Categories of computer languages are low-level language and high-level language. In low-level language, computer have machine language and assembly language. Machine language is a first-generation language which is used to write program in a binary digits, that is 0 and 1, and is directly understood by the computer. And in some assembly language, developers use the symbols and codes to write the program to make the programming easy. It is a second generation language. In high-level language, there is a procedural language, non-procedural language, and natural language. Procedural language is a third generation language which uses commands to operate the task. Then non-procedural language is a fourth generation language which uses our English language to write the programs and to operate the task. Then natural language is a fifth generation language which is a voice recognition language which reads our voice and responds to it. It responded to a human language. Then in a machine language, the programming written in a binary digits, that is 0 and 1, and because it understands only a number 0 and 1. That's why it is called a low-level language, because it reads only 2 digits, that is 0 and 1. Then after that, when we use the assembly language or a high-level language, we need to convey our message to computer. For that, we need a translator. Translators are of three types, that is assembler, compiler, and interpreter. These are also called language processor. Language processor is a type of software which converts our language into a machine language. In assembly language, we use symbols and letters to write a program. It is called a mnemonic code. For example, sum for addition and sub for subtraction. The code written in an assembly language is used to convert into a machine language. For that, we use an assembler. In assembly, as shown in the picture, in assembly we have used the codes like sub, ax, bx, that is a source program. That is a mnemonic code which assembler converts into a machine language, that is an object program that is in the form of 0 and 1. After a machine language and assembly language, we have a high-level language. In high-level language, we use English language to write our program, which makes our language programming more easy to understand. The advantage of using the high-level language are it can be executed in any computer. They are easy to learn, they are easy to maintain, they require less time to write. Now in high-level language, the program as written in English, that is in a source program, an interpreter or compiler converts it into a machine language that is in the form of 0 and 1, that is an object program. Then some computer languages which we are using nowadays are Logo, Basic, Visual Basic, C, Java and C++. These programs we use to develop a softwares which we are using on a computer or a mobile phones. Now some important terms in computer language. Program. is a set of instructions that is computer used to write on a computer to perform a particular task. Then programming is a process of writing a program, and a programmer is a person who writes a program on a computer. Now software, a set of program which enables the computer to obtain a solution to the problem. Means when we want to work on a computer, we need a software. That's why the computer can work only. Then we have a assembler. Assembler is a translator used to convert the assembly language into a machine language. Compiler converts the high-level language into a machine language in one go, that is, in once. Interpreter is also a program used to translate a high-level language into a machine language, but it reads instructions one by one and then executes them. Thank you. This is all in this video.